Hi, I'm Dr. Andrea Labuti, and I'm here to answer your questions that you've sent to me over the last several months that you want to know about your children with autism. So, this question comes from a mom that says, I have a 3-year-old that was recently diagnosed with autism. I've already started removing milk and gluten. We do equinotherapy and other activities, but I really want to focus on eliminating the Candida. I want to know how to focus my attention on getting rid of the Candida either through probiotics, multivitamins, omega-3s, homeopathy, acupuncture. I'm just not sure where to start. So please advise. So what I'd like to say about this is Candida used to be a very big culprit, or at least we thought it was a really big culprit. But now we know that viruses are actually the bigger culprit causing most of the problems in our kids and ourselves. And one of the biggest viruses that seems to evade our medical mainstream knowledge is Epstein-Barr virus. Now, that's the virus some of you may know is related to mono. So mono is that illness with the fever and the swollen glands and body aches. Teenagers can get it and be knocked out for months at a time. And then it slowly gets better on its own, and then the virus hides in our body, and it does things later in life, like goes into our thyroid and causes thyroiditis and thyroid cancer. It also moves into our nervous system, and believe it or not, is one of the main reasons that women have menopausal symptoms, hot flashes. It's sitting in the vagus nerve and other nerves in the body. So Epstein-Barr virus in our kids is also a big issue. I remember when my son was 4 years old and we did a whole bunch of testing, he tested positive for the Epstein-Barr virus. And I thought, how on earth did he get that? But it doesn't really matter where he gets it. It's sort of prevalent in our community. What is really important to know is that's the co-infection you want to go after. That exists with strep and and Candida and other types of bacteria and things that are not good for our system. So go after the virus, and this is how. 4 things. The first is L-lysine. You can work up to 1,000 to 1,500 milligrams a day. That's L-lysine. The second one is cat's claw. Cat's claw is an amazing supplement to go after Epstein-Barr virus. So 1 or 2 capsules of cat's claw a day, right on. And then the last 2 are vitamin C and zinc. Now, we shouldn't shortchange these 2 because these are really powerful, potent supplements. Get a good quality supplement, take it on a regular basis, especially the zinc. We don't have enough zinc in our diets. Those 4 things are going to go after the viruses that are causing way more havoc than just the Candida. So I hope that helps. Bring your questions to my website or down below in the comments, and I am circulating through all of them. I will get them answered, and I hope this helps. Thanks for listening.